Hey guys, Oscar here. Good morning and happy November 1st, 2021. Today is the first of the month and I will be making some investments. Today I'm going to invest about $100 and I got a few shares that I want to invest on. Now I'll be using Robinhood, and once again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional broker or a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to buy or sell any stocks, or any suggestions are made in this video. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'll be showing you guys my investments, what I'm trying to grow. Maybe this could push you guys into investing in whatever you guys would like to. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be logging into my Robinhood account. And if you guys can see, I have currently $1,670 investing, and I have $100 on buying power. Now, compared to my last video that I made on investing, I had about $1,000 invested. Now, what has taken me to this point of about $1,600 is that I invested on Tesla, BTI, and other small shares that have taken me to this point. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and keep on my goals, and I will invest about $50 on Tesla. My goal is to actually have or own one full share. So I'm going to click on trade, I'm going to click on buy, and I'm going to invest $50. Now, the best or the beauty of Robinhood is that you're actually able to buy micro shares. I'm going to click review, swipe up, and done. I'm going to now go to my main page, which I'm going to click on the sliding ladder on the left hand side, and you guys can see that I still have $50 on buying power. And here are my stocks. I currently have Amazon, Google, Tesla, BTI, 3M, QQQ, which is the Nasdaq investing ETF. I have BOO, which is an ETF that invests on the S&P 500. I have Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Mattel. Let's keep in mind it's the Christmas season, so a lot of toys are gonna be sold. And I also have Netflix, I have SMH, which is an ETF that invests on semiconductors. So today I will go ahead and invest $20 on BTI, which is the total stock market ETF. I want to keep my portfolio diverse. Therefore, I'm going to invest on this ETF that puts investment in over 3,000 stocks. I'm going to click trade, buy. I'm going to invest $20, review, swipe up, and done. Okay, the next investment is going to be on Microsoft. I think Apple, Microsoft, they are a powerhouse tech. I think both companies are amazing. They are and have been around for a very, very long time. I don't think they're going to go anywhere. If you guys can see here, the stock is a little bit low, or it's trading a little bit low, but this means it's a good opportunity to buy because likely it's going to continue to go up. So I'm only going to invest about $10 here. $10, swipe up, and done. I'm going to go back to the home, and then my next investment is going to be on another ETF, and this one is the ETF that invests on semiconductors. We all know about the semiconductors. There's a shortage, so more need to be produced. Therefore, likely this company is going to be producing more, or the companies that make semiconductors are going to continue to make more since there is a demand. And I'm going to go ahead and invest. Therefore, I'm going to click on trade, buy. I currently have $20 available to invest. I will go ahead and invest the $20. Review. Swipe up. Done. So I have invested $20. If we go back to home, now we have how much I'm investing. Currently, as of this recording, I have $1,672 invested. I have the buying power of 0. And let's see if investing is actually worth it. I mean, just put a little bit of money, let's say $25, $50 every 2 weeks or a month. So I actually started about 3 months ago or so. In reality, it was earlier this year, but I was putting very, very little money. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on 3 months to see how much money I have gained. And if you guys can see in the green, it says that for the past 3 months, my investments have increased by $464.27 for an average of 38% upside, which is actually, I believe is amazing. If I put, let's say, $1,000 in a savings account, I'm going to only be making 0.01%. So that is extremely low. I think investing is the way to go for my personal opinion. Now, why do I want to share my investment goals with you guys? Well, for a very long time, I've been trying to invest. I'm a beginner. I have no experience at all. And I have read, I have watched many videos. I have followed Yahoo Financial. I've been watching and educating myself for at least 12 months now. And I want my money to grow. I want to be able to retire early in life. And I believe the only way we can do that is by investing. Even if we invest $5 and you take 10% of that, that means that every year that $5 is going to bring you about 50 cents. So imagine getting 50 cents over and over and over. Eventually you're going to have $100 in a certain amount of time. And overall, the goal is for me to keep investing and grow my wealth. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video put a spark in you guys to continue to grow your wealth. And my new goal is to be my own CEO. I want to be able to be my own boss. I want to be able to work on something that I truly love and I have passion. So my goal is to continue to thrive and move forward. Whatever that is for you, just follow your dreams. That's what I'm trying to do here. I will go ahead and cut it for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and if you have any comment whatsoever, please leave the comments below. You guys have a beautiful day. Today, November the 1st, 2021. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.